Hello everyone, today I am gonna demonstrate one of my computer vision project where I built a model which can recognize face and eyes from the webcam video. Here I feed videos as data to the model and train the model. So actually here I gave live video through my webcam to the model. You can see the code here, but now I'm not gonna go through the whole lines of code. Instead of doing that, I just gave you a bird's eye view of this project. Well, here now I am in Anaconda Navigator, and you can see in the screen that I use CV2 library, and CV2 library is one of the classic Python library for computer vision. Well, for real world problem, we can use this model for tumor detection in brain because you know computer can analyze data 10,000 times faster than human. So without further ado, let's run this whole lines of code here in a virtual platform. Okay, after running this code, now you can see me in the webcam, and we can also see that this model predicts that the blue box is face and the couple of green boxes are eyes. Another important feature I want to let you show that if I will move away from the screen, you can see the model predicts there is no face and eyes on the screen. And if you get back in front of the screen, then it again detect my face and eyes. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy learning.